It's Bonnie. Happy Friday. Check it out. Merry everything. So, you guys all know me. I love my holiday t-shirts. I every holiday switch up my tees for whatever holiday's happening. So, the people at Thread Tank sent me 3 Christmas shirts to share with you guys. Oh my gosh, are these not adorable? So, I'm wearing my Merry Everything t-shirt in the vintage white with the red design on it. These t-shirts are 52% cotton, 48% polyester. They have a relaxed fit. They're a crew net, machine wash cold, tumble dry low, and USA strong. So they are made in the USA, which is awesome. And I like the sleeves. I'll have to say, a lot of times you get like a t-shirt and the sleeve is like really short. I'm liking the sleeves on these. They're super soft and comfy, and they're pretty long. I mean, I'm a tall person, and I like that these fit very long. I did get 3 shirts from them. I got the Merry Everything. I got check it out, the Christmas trees. How pretty are these in the red? And then that is a Heather Gray shirt. And then I got a t-shirt that says Merry on it. And this is the Heather Rouge. So I really like this vintage kind of red look. That one is awesome. They also have a t-shirt. Oh my gosh, I think I need this one. It says Team Eggnog on it. And if you all know me and my obsession with butter rum eggnog, you know that Team Eggnog is definitely on on my happy list this year. But they have super cute Christmas t-shirts, Nana Claus, don't get your tinsel in a tangle, I'm only a morning person on December 25th. These would make awesome gifts for someone because they're just super cute, kind of unique Christmas sayings, made in the USA, really nice fit, super soft cotton. So like I said, they did send me these t-shirts to share with you guys. And the sale today is buy one, get one 50% off, free shipping on over $45. They also have Empower t-shirts, motherhood, coffee, wine, dog parent. Oh my gosh, I need a Chihuahua shirt. And they have got adventure. They've actually got a roots collection that's kind of cute too. So you can basically, it says roots on it, then you can pick a state where you're from. That would make a really unique Christmas gift. I know a lot of us are looking for unique Christmas gifts. Speaking of Chihuahuas, guess who's barking out there? The Chihuahua. So anyway, thank you so much, Thread Tank, for sending me these awesome t-shirts. I will be wearing this one Christmas morning, and I will see you guys later. All the links are below. Bye-bye.